Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a wishlist in the Hostelworld application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then if you had any recent searches, just click on that, but you can search for any destination, like London, England. First, just set the check-in and the check-out time, and then just type in the number of guests. And if you have a specific hostel that you're interested in, but you want to see more, then just click on the little heart button at the top of the page on the right. And if you don't have a wish list yet, you can create one. So just create a name and click on the create button. And as you can see, you have a new wish list, and you can add as many properties as you want to it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.